guess what that's connected to?
What?
Our boat.
Huh?
That's our boat. You see it? You see the boat now?
Watch your step.
Huh?
I got those cores down here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is Nauticus.
We trying to get in the lab too.
Yeah. Keep going, dude. Hello. Sorry. Thank you. Yeah.
What even is this? Slide to the right. To the right. Slide to the left. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. Cha-cha. Get it.
Imagine if he... Hey! Wouldn't that be funny if he took his first steps on Baby Turtle Trek? Alright. So here we go. Oh, the ground is so hard. Alright, you gotta stay. Here he goes, Wrong way. Oh, that's backwards. Go Josiah. Yeah. He's almost reached the ocean. Almost reached the ocean. 3, 2, 1, no, he's not a water baby. That's okay. Oh, do you call him Jojo? That's so cute. Oh, Josiah, you've got a little certificate. Wow, for being our baby turtle trek crawler. What else do we have? What other prize? Ooh. So cool. One more prize. What is it? It's a medallion? Wow. It's a Cambodian medallion. Well done, Josiah. Carnival Sunshine family. One more round of applause for Josiah. No, that's it. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Come join the line. Longest time line we can. And we're going to start our march and chant very,
I'm waiting in that. Yeah, me too. Oh, Lily, basketball court.
The golf carts or something?
We passed that one.
Here's your heart.
Take your heart. Look, right here. Right here. Juju. Look. Juju. Huh?
Hey, come on, Jojo.
What does the loser have to do?
I don't know. It's up to you.
Okay. We'll see.
No, I'll do it before.
It's like soccer.
Yeah.
That's one.
That one
Take a
counts.
snap of that. Take them off. Okay. This hurt my shins. I can't even think straight.
Yeah. Yep, go. You ain't looking too good, Joe.
Watch what I do when you try to shoot the ball.
In there! You're becoming a splash, brother.
At our empty jewelry store, deck 5 in the front of the ship, so do make sure you check that out for some
made it.
fun.
Alright.
Now we all
In there.
There you go.
cruise. They'll help you book the best short excursions with our Carnival Adventures team, give you exclusive insider VIP offers, tour guides, and more. There'll be free gifts for all and tons of prizes to win. If you need stylish jewelry or any boutique on board, and a steakhouse dinner for two, eat at some of our favorite shore excursions. Now remember, this event is happening only once this cruise.
Keep going, go get it. American flag.
Hey, let's go. We're in America. We're in the
Yeah. He has a onesie and he has his shorts. So he's good. That's why I didn't put the shorts back on him. You know he is a part of you all's family.
Why you say that?
Just how you say cheese.
I know.
You can tell when they.
Here's a little song I wrote. I want to sing it.
Hey, look, this is glass, but it's been
It's so soft.
not old and you're sharpening it.
Oh, well, that's good.
Yeah, you can be as old as you can. No, you shut
want to welcome you here to the Lagoon Island. At this time, we are into the lagoon. We do ask passengers to please remain seated for the docking of this vessel. Once again, please remain seated for your safety and eyes. At this
Don't eat the sand. Don't eat the sand. Don't eat the sand. Don't eat it. Don't get on those, okay? Daddy said don't get on those. What? Rocks? Just, oh, in the water you go. Yeah.
I'll take it and do it in the back.
I'll tell everybody, dump the towels, guys. Yeah. Take towels. Right?
Right. Jump! Go ahead, Joy. You can do it. There you go. Go, 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 go.
Go, Mommy.
There you go. See mommy? See mommy? See mommy? Two! You gonna go, Julius?
Ooh, that's so cool. Come on, let's walk.
here's what I want us to do. I want us to stay standing and I want us to put your hands up in the air because we're going to wave all together on the count of 3. And 3, 2, 3.